Ready to streamline your ACC claiming and invoicing process using Nookal? Let me show you how easy it is to send claims and invoice directly to ACC. Before you can send claims and invoices, it's important to make sure you've turned on and set up your ACC integration. It's also a good idea to check that your services have been set up correctly for ACC claiming. Go to Setup, Items, Services, and open each of your services. Tick Enable Integrations, and next to the ACC field, add in the default code and billing method for this service. Repeat this step for any other ACC services. Next, go to your client's profile and make sure you have entered all the essential details, including the client's gender, address, as well as their ethnicity and occupation via the health page. If you haven't already, create a case and add ACC as the payer for the case. Next up, it's time to submit our claim. Select the Add Claims button, where you'll be asked if you are adding a pre-submitted claim or a new claim. If you have already submitted a claim to ACC external to Nookal and have an ACC 45 claim number, simply follow the steps and add the existing claim. However, if you are submitting a new ACC claim, select New Claim and fill out all the relevant claim details, including the diagnosis and referral details if required. You can then submit the claim to ACC for approval. Now that your claim has been queued, you'll need to wait for the status to change to approved before you can start submitting ACC invoices. You can monitor this directly from the client's case or from within our ACC report using the claim filter. Be sure to watch part 2 of this video to find out how to invoice ACC for services provided.